Want to elevate your salmon cake flavor to the next level? Smoke your salmon first. Let me show you how I do it. I'm going to start off with a 1-pound fillet of salmon rubbed down with a little bit of oil. Throw it on the smoker at 200 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes until the internal temperature hits 140. Sneak a little bite off that first. Shred it up. Add in some creme fraiche, chopped dill, panko breadcrumbs, lemon zest, lemon juice, chopped chives, salt, and pepper. Give it a good stir, and then shape your cakes. I find a biscuit cutter super helpful in keeping those nice and uniform. Once you've got them shaped, pop that in the freezer for about 20 minutes to get them nice and firm. Preheat your smoker to about 500 degrees with a cast iron skillet inside. Then the sauce is simple. Half butter, half mayo, crushed red pepper, chopped dill, chopped chives. Stir it up and you're done. We're going to brown those salmon cakes for about 3 minutes on each side over high heat until they're a nice, deep, dark golden brown color. And that's it. Serve them immediately. Pour the sauce on top. Garnish with dill and lemon wedges if you're going for pretty. The flavor is bright yet smoky. Hope you guys enjoy.